Are you wondering how you can use wired earphones or headphones with your iPhone 16e? So actually this phone doesn't have a headphone jack, as you probably already know, but we can still use wired earphones or headphones with this phone as long as we get adapter like this, which essentially converts the 3.5 to Type-C. So really all we do is simply take our wired stuff, insert in this adapter, and then the other end, the Type-C, we simply have to insert in the Type-C hole, and our earphones or headphones will work. Also the microphone will work on them, and everything else will work really just as normal. By the way, when you actually purchase this, you actually need to be kind of careful, because if you purchase the cheapest stuff, really sometimes microphones doesn't work for them. Also sometimes you get audio logs, so this is maybe like the third like this adapters that I have purchased before actually found a good one. So I'll actually leave a link where you can get this exact one on AliExpress. Costs like $2. So again, it's not really expensive, but again, simply they also have like different ones that simply absolutely suck really. So you actually need to be careful to and purchase like a decent one, otherwise you will maybe experience some lags. And also basically this, when you plug in, basically also on some of them like it falls out very easily as well. So not all of them are any good. Anyway, good luck.